Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, in the notes, in the browser, wherever you want to actually. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and then let's enter the settings, which are right here on this option bar. Now let's enter the languages, and here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So basically, all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me find, for example, the Urdu one. Let's tap, and of course depending on the language you will be able to pick the region, so just tap on it. And again here, depending on the language, you can pick, let's say, kind of keyboard types, and sometimes you will be able to pick only one or up to 5 different keyboard types. So let me pick this one. Let me take the Urdu one and untick this option. So now just tap on Done. And as you can see, the language has been added. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we've got actually 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar. The spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. And next to it, we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to actually change the language. So currently I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can switch to the Urdu one. Let me tap on it again, and again, English. So this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let's remove the language, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings again and the languages section, and here just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning. And again, the spacebar is empty, and we don't have the language key. So basically that's all. This is how to add, how to change the keyboard language in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.